Mastering Rhetoric, the key to persuasive speaking. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the exciting world of persuasive speaking. Our focus will be on understanding rhetorical devices and how to use them to make your public speeches and presentations more convincing. So, if you're eager to improve your persuasive speaking skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Rhetorical devices are techniques that speakers or writers use to convey their messages more effectively. They involve using language in a way that encourages the audience to consider the speaker's perspective. When used effectively, these devices can make your speeches more interesting, persuasive, and memorable. They come in various forms, including rhetorical questions, repetition, alliteration, and metaphors, among others. Let's look at some of these rhetorical devices in more detail. Rhetorical questions. Rhetorical questions are questions asked for effect, not necessarily expecting an answer. For example, can we really afford to ignore climate change? This provokes thought rather than eliciting a direct response. Repetition. Repetition involves repeating a certain phrase or idea for emphasis. This can help reinforce your point in the minds of your listeners. A great example of this is Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous, "I Have a Dream" speech. Alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of the same sounds or letters at the beginning of closely connected words. For example, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. In speeches, alliteration helps to create rhythm and mood. Metaphor. Metaphors compare two unrelated things to help explain a concept more vividly. Life is a journey, not a destination, is a classic example. To use rhetorical devices effectively, you should consider the following. Know your audience. Tailor your rhetorical devices to your audience's understanding, beliefs, and interests. Stay relevant. Use rhetorical devices that align with your topic. Irrelevant use can confuse or distract your audience. Practice moderation. Too many rhetorical devices can make your speech seem contrived or overwhelming. So, use them sparingly for the maximum effect. And there you have it. Rhetorical devices are powerful tools to enhance your persuasive speaking skills. Remember, effective public speaking isn't just about what you say but also about how you say it. We hope you found this video helpful and can't wait to see how you'll incorporate these devices into your future speeches and presentations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.